Sir Chris in the Sugarloaf. It looks like we're fighting single sword. How very brave of you. Gentlemen, Sir Kumar, stand you ready.
Aye!
Sir Chris, stand you ready.
Why not?
Okay. Salute your opponent.
Sir Kumar!
You, sir. You can cheer for Sir Chris, or you can cheer for me.
I win.
Prepare and defend yourselves. Oh! We have Sir Chris with a shot to the head. Giving him 2 points. Wow, it is the beginning of the season. Gentlemen, lay on. This is only the second fight. Oh! Slipping and a sliding, sliding and a slipping. Sir Chris came in and I think tried to do a headshot on Sir Kumar. However, Sir Kumar tried to block him with his head. Oh!
That's a good headshot.
Oh! Yeah, did he get sliced across the back?
Yeah. It used to be harder Kumar, but it was there.
Yeah. Sir Kumar got a slice across Chris's back, giving him 3 points, bringing him to 5 points. So a head or body shot by Sir Kumar will win the match. Gentlemen, lay on.
It's going to be a very short show.
Oh! Slow back and forth. I think we're going with the arm shot. We got the arm shot for Sir Chris, giving him the point he needed for victory.
Yeah!
Sir Chappie, you have the long beard. It's like seriously hanging out. That's all. All right, Sir Stewart, stand you ready again. Sir Chappie, stand you ready for the first time today. Salute your noble opponent. And defend yourselves. Oh!
Thumbs up.
Down. Oh! We have a leg shot by Oh! 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 That's the headshot Sir Stewart needed for. Wait for it. Victory! Salute your opponents. Prepare and defend yourself. That's a hold. Hold. Wait. Line judges can't call holds. Just saying.
They're counting.
Before I fell into a coughing fit, Sir Victor actually got Sir Chappie on the head for 2 points. Sir Chappie is down by 2.
Every hit we call.
Gentlemen, lay on. Oh! We got Victor on the nugget by Chappie.
Yeah, this is gonna take forever.
Chris at the same time.
Oh! We got you on the head again. You got to stay your head, brother. Two's down. Lay on! Oh!
Chris and Chappie, man.
Oh! Each other, do something.